So welcome back. We asked what is the function g. So the function is a straight line, and we have a formula for equation of a straight line. Given, as you can see, we are not given the y-intercept. As a matter of fact, we are asked to find the y-intercept, which is h, the coordinate. So, but we are given 2 points on the line. So using equation of a line, given 2 points, the formula is y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. So we can just call any point. Okay, let's call 10, 8 to be x1, y1, and the other point 2, 0 as x2, y2. So that one is our slope. It will be settled with this. Coming to this, you'll be wondering which one is x1, y1. You can choose any one. We can choose this point as our x1, y1, or we can still choose this as our what? x1, y1. I'm saying that you can still replace this as x2 and replace this with y2. So we still have the same answer. So that's it. So, but I will use, it seems I will use x2 since I have one of the coordinates is 0. So it seems I will prefer using x2, y2, at least to make our solution fast. So I'll use x2, I'll use y2, x2. So let's solve. So we have y minus y2, our y2 is 0, equals y2, 0 minus y1, 8 over our s2, 2 minus 10. X minus our x2 is 2. So we have y equals 2 minus 8 is minus 8. So minus 8 over minus 8 is 1. So we have x minus 2. So that's the equation of the line. So we're asked to, the second question, we're asked to find the equation of the curve, which is f. Okay, anytime we're given a quadratic curve, the equation is either y equals ax minus h all squared plus k, where h and k is the coordinate of the vertex. That's the vertex. But in this case, we are not given the vertex. Or is y equals ax minus a bracket x minus alpha times x minus beta, where alpha and beta are the x-intercepts. So this is the one that we are going to use because we don't know the vertex. It's not stated, so we can't just assume. So the best one is to use the one that has intercept, x-intercept. So I'm using the second formula. So we have y equals a x minus 3 is plus 3 x minus 2. So our main aim is to get the unknown, which is a. Once we know it, we've known the equation of the curve. So we choose another point on the curve, and the best point to choose is the y-intercept. As you can see, that's the best point. I won't use this because that have decimals. So the best point is to use y-intercept. So at 0 comma minus 12, that is x is 0, y is minus 12. So we have minus 12 equals a 0 plus 3, 0 minus 2. And 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So we have minus 6a. So we solve for a. Divide both sides by minus 6. So we have 2. So our a is 2. Therefore, the equation we are looking for is y equals 2 brackets x plus 3 times x minus 2. So which is 2 brackets. You open up this, which is x squared plus 3x minus 2x is plus x minus 6. So we have that y equals 2 times x squared 2x squared, 2 times x plus 2x, and 2 times that minus 12. So that's the equation of the curve. So the next one, we're asked to find the coordinate of D and H. As you can see, H is the y-intercept of the line. So we can easily see that is minus 2 here. See the equation of the line. So our H, the coordinate of H is now H is 0, minus 2. As you can see, x is 0 on the y-axis, so y is minus 2. So the next one is the coordinate of D. As you can see, the coordinate of D is just the point of intersection of this curve and the line. So we need to equate the equation of the curve and the equation of the line. So we now see that we have the equation of the curve is this. The line is y equals x minus 2. X minus 2. So we equate the two. Therefore, 2x squared plus 2x minus 12 must be equal to x minus 2. So because y is this and that same y is that, so which means that this is equal to that. So we solve. We have 2x squared. 2x, this x comes here. 2x minus x is plus x. And minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10, equal to 0. So as you can see, we can factor this as 2x plus 5 and x minus 2. That if you open up this, you get back this. So this is the product of two numbers to be 0. Means that one of them must be 0. So we don't know the one. So the first one, either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So our x is minus 5 over 2 or 2. So they say the coordinate. So we now find the corresponding value of y. The corresponding value. So we've gotten x. So when x is minus 5 over 2, let's get for y. Let's use line instead of curve. So y is minus 5 over 2 minus 2. So which is minus 4 minus, that's minus 9 over 2. So that's our value when x is minus 5 over 2. So when x is 2, so y is 2 minus 2. So y is 0. So the coordinates are, this is the point. So as you can see, x is negative, y is also negative. So meaning that we discard one of the points. So the best point is this, when x is minus. So therefore D, the coordinate of D is x is minus 5 over 2 and y is minus 9 over 2. The other point is not fixed because this, if you see, y is 0, but from the x is 2. Y is 0, which is from this graph, is wrong, because as you can see, this is the negative side of x and negative side of y. So the best coordinate is when x is minus 5 over 2, y is minus 9 over 2. So that is the answer.